The fifth product on our list is the Logitech G Pro gaming keyboard. This is our best cheap gaming keyboard. No PC gaming setup is complete without a good mechanical keyboard. Unfortunately, they tend to cost more, but it doesn't mean you have to break the bank. The $80 Logitech G Pro gaming keyboard is one of the best affordable mechanical gaming keyboards available. It's a great keyboard. Don't let the low price fool you. It's built to the exact standards of some of the world's top esports athletes. It's engineered for extreme performance and designed to win. You'll instantly notice the performance and responsiveness from its Roamer G mechanical key switch. It's fast. In addition to the speed boost from the switch, Logitech optimized the keystroke signal processing for faster response. When speed counts in your game, you need a keyboard that can deliver that speed. If you're a speed freak, the Razer Huntsman Elite, coming up later in the video, has one of the fastest actuation in a gaming keyboard. If you like RGB lighting, you'll have plenty of customization options, including customizing key lighting from 16.8 million colors and activate light sync game-driven lighting effects from over 300 top games. You can enable automatic game detection in the settings to access profiles for 300 plus games and have them automatically display on the Pro keyboard when the game launches. The key features are game profiles. You get game-driven lighting effects from over 300 top games. Customization. Full customization for the RGB lights. Key switch. Uses the Roamer G mechanical key switch for incredibly fast response times. The pros are design. Small and sleek, it's a 10 keyless keyboard, making it quite compact. No extraneous buttons, that keeps the nice minimalist look. Detachable USB cord, it's great for travel, so there's no chance of damaging the cord. Size, the compact size makes it perfect for competitive gaming and portability. And for the cons, heavy. For a compact keyboard, it's quite heavy. If you want a small mechanical keyboard that's suitable for the tournament scene and you don't want to sacrifice comfort or performance, the Logitech G Pro is a great overall option, especially at a very affordable price point. The fourth product on our list is the Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2. This is our best low-profile gaming keyboard. The Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2 uses the quieter Cherry MX Red RGB low-profile switches, so you get the fast performance of regular red switches but without the high-profile keycaps for a thinner, compact keyboard. If you're looking for a fast keyboard but prefer a more parallel hand position compared to most mechanical gaming keyboards for your gaming, at $120, the Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2 has one of the lowest profiles available. You'll find it feels more like a regular office keyboard, so your hand and finger position is more horizontal without breaking the angle on your wrist. So if you need to pull double duty with a lot of typing for work or school, then you'll appreciate how versatile the Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2 is. Of course, it still comes with the per-key RGB lighting and also has the textured keycaps for gaming and the extra-large spacebar. You'll still find the LED backlit media controls along the top, extremely convenient when gaming in the dark. If you want more extensive RGB lighting customizations or a row of macro keys, stay tuned for the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum, coming up later in this video. The key features are low-profile switches. It uses the Cherry MX Red RGB low-profile keycap switches. Size. Has minimal wasted space. It's actually about an inch smaller than many comparable peripherals, while still maintaining comfortable spacing between the keys. Corsair iQ enables vivid dynamic lighting control, sophisticated macro programming, and full system lighting synchronization across compatible Corsair peripherals. The pros are per-key RGB lighting. Per-key dynamic multicolor RGB backlighting offers near unlimited color customization and control. Design. It's a great-looking design, durable aluminum chassis, and radiant per-key RGB lighting on. USB pass-through. The USB pass-through port provides convenient access to an additional USB port for your mouse or headset. And for the cons, it's expensive, and no dedicated macro keys. The Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2 has something for everyone. If you're looking for an overall amazing gaming keyboard with great speed and a low profile, then the K70 RGB Mk.2 is one of the top choices available. The third product on our list is the Razer Huntsman Elite. This is our fastest actuation gaming keyboard. The Razer Huntsman Elite brings an optomechanical switch to mechanical keyboards. Razer's new key switch blends together mechanical elements with lasers, making the keyboard blazing fast. If you're looking for a gaming keyboard and want one of the fastest keyboard actuation available, then the Razer Huntsman Elite is a great option for $185. When you press on a key, you'll notice how responsive and fast it is to type. Most switches typically bottom out against a metal contact point to fire, but the Razer optomechanical switch fires the same command except it uses lasers, making the response that much faster. The combination of optical switches and a short mechanical actuation gives you incredible speed, which comes in handy for games, especially first-person shooters. It's not just the speed you'll notice, you'll get a really satisfying tactile and audible click, something that's usually missing on the fastest keyboards. According to Razer, the optomechanical switch actuates 30% faster than a traditional clicky mechanical switch. That's a 30% advantage in your gameplay. You'll love the frameless design and how the keycaps hover over the jet black anodized aluminum keyboard deck with track lighting all around the perimeter, including an RGB lit palm rest. It's a lot of lights, more than most keyboards, but if you like them, the Huntsman Elite's got them. One downside is that you'll need two USB ports for the keyboard to work correctly. The key features are: Build features a stylish frameless design with the keycaps hovering over the keyboard deck. Optomechanical, one of the first ever gaming keyboards to use an optical switch. The pros are: fast key actuation, optomechanical switch with lasers, up to 30% faster than traditional mechanical keyboards. Tactile and audible key switch clicks. You get a comfortable and satisfying response. Layout. The design features a nearly perfect keyboard layout. RGB lights. Plenty of RGB lights including around the perimeter and even on the palm rest. And for the cons, requires two USB ports for power. It's a fair trade-off for all the power and lights. If you want a fast gaming keyboard, the Razer Huntsman Elite has one of the fastest keyboard actuation around with its optomechanical switch. It'll feed your need for speed. The second product on our list is the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. This is a great overall gaming keyboard. If you're a fan of cherry switches, Corsair is one of the few companies to still use the cherry RGB switches. So if you're a gamer looking for a gaming keyboard with cherry switches, or just want stellar performance from your gaming keyboard, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is one of your best options, and it's currently priced at $170. If you loved Corsair's previous keyboards, you'll love the integrated light bar that elevates gaming keyboards to a new level. You also get 16.8 million color options, covering basically the entire keyboard, plus 8 megabytes of memory to store profiles, all housed in a military-grade aluminum frame. And of course, Cherry's stem design means the LED is embedded above the key, so the lettering is offset towards the top of each key. Corsair takes this one step further, surrounding the LED with translucent plastic all around, making it bright and colorful. The K95 focuses on speed. With Cherry's new linear MX speed switches, the keys are highly responsive and take just a light press to actuate, so keys will bottom out faster and require less pressure, making them perfect for Twitch shooters or any game that requires fast reflexes. You'll also notice the keyboard is much narrower than previous models, thanks to the number of macro keys being reduced to just 6. Some might not like having less macro keys, but with the new design, you can actually reach them this time around. You still get all the shortcut buttons, the volume wheel, media controls, lighting toggles, and gaming modes all within easy reach. If you want all the customizable macro keys, the SteelSeries Apex Pro coming up next provides plenty of options to satisfy your customizing needs. The key features are: build quality, premium aluminum build, processor, 32-bit ARM Cortex processor, storage, 8 megabytes for profile storage, light bar, Comes with the new integrated RGB light bar. The pros are handy controls, easily accessible dedicated media controls. Performance, it has really smooth, responsive keys. Software, easy to use but comprehensive customization settings. Keycaps, double-shot keycaps and wrist rest feel premium. RGB lighting, dynamic multicolor per-key backlighting with light edge. And for the cons, macro keys, only 6 macro keys. No audio jack, there's no audio pass-through. The K95 RGB Platinum is a beautiful premium keyboard with excellent switches, top-tier lighting, and industry standard for media keys, making it a serious gaming keyboard for any serious gamer that's particular about their gaming keyboard. The first product on our list is the SteelSeries Apex Pro. This is our best overall gaming keyboard. For gamers looking for that extra comfort, extra customization, and that extra speed in your games, the SteelSeries Apex Pro has the extras over the competition, and it's currently priced at $200. It's a premium gaming keyboard that delivers a premium gaming experience. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is the first gaming keyboard from a major manufacturer that allows you to adjust the actuation in its keys. It's a game changer. The custom actuation means that no matter what your preferences are, whether you like cherry MX browns, blues, reds, or even blacks, you can tune it for the force you actually type with. If you find yourself hitting one specific key by accident in a particular game, you can adjust the actuation level so it'll only trigger when you really mash on the key. Or if you need to hammer one key over and over as quickly as possible, the per-key actuation can give you that extra edge. When it comes to gaming keyboards, bigger isn't necessarily better. The compact keyboard is well laid out with an ergonomic design and no wasted space and great travel distance. You'll love the convenience of the small OLED screen, a button to help navigate it, and a volume dial. You can control most of the keyboard functions without ever having to open up settings on your PC. You can even change RGB lighting, switch profiles, adjust key actuation, and even record macros on the fly. The key features are full customization of keys. You can adjust and customize for per-key actuation. OLED screen, quick and easy access to features and settings. Volume dial, lets you conveniently adjust the volume with a one-click mute function. The pros are per-key actuation. This is an amazing feature for maximum customization. Great performance, fast and responsive with great travel distance. It delivers a great gaming performance. RGB, per-key illumination. And for the cons, expensive. It is pricey, but it does come with some unique and cutting-edge features not found on competitors. Limited OLED screen option. The screen is not utilized to its full potential with limited options. For gamers looking for that edge, the SteelSeries Apex Pro offers one of the best keyboard experiences, especially with the game-changing customizable per-key actuation. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.